Greetings and welcome to Pyramid Telemedicine. This is a short video where we will give you an idea of how to book an appointment on Pyramid Telemedicine. As you all know, that Pyramid Telemedicine is a unique telehealth platform between doctors for professional and patient-centric interactions. So it actually converts your clinic into a multi-speciality polyclinic virtually. And you are in a position to connect to acclaimed consultants who counsel you officially to manage your patients on a video platform. The process only requires a smartphone at your end. An electronic health record is generated at the end, which will help you medically also. Of course, before we start using the Pyramid app, one you will have to download the Pyramid app from Google Play Store. There's a short process of registration on the app, so that because this app is open only for doctors, but please note that the registration is free. And in case you have any problem in registration, you can just call our support number that is here. All that we require in the registration is some of your contact details and some of your professional details like qualifications, registration number, and all that. Once that is done, you will receive an email within 24 to 48 hours asking you to set your password, and then you have to set your own password. Friends, just in case you do not receive this email, please check your spam folder. So once you have set your password, now you are free to log in and start using Pyramid. So you put in your email ID, which you have put on our registration form, and the password which you have generated, and you are ready to start using Pyramid. To start referring patients on Pyramid, obviously, first and foremost, you will need to add the patient to our Pyramid. That means you will need to register the patient, which is once again a one-time process for every patient. So you just add patient and you will be able to register the patient details. Just in case you are too busy to do all this, you can ask your patient to call up our support number, and he can give us all these details so that we will add him and then attach it to your patient. Once your patient is added, you will be able to see them in the patient tab here. And once you can see him on the patient tab, then you have to just select that particular patient and schedule a new appointment. You have to decide the specialty which you would like the patient to be referred to. And once you decide on the specialty, you can use the filters to decide which particular specialist you want to refer to. And then you will be able to identify the particular specialist which you want to refer to. You can get some information about that particular specialist by clicking here, or otherwise, if you know the specialist, then straight away you can book an appointment by clicking here. When you press on book an appointment, you will get the appointment slots for that particular specialist, which that particular specialist has given to Pyramid. And you can book an appointment which is according to your convenience and the patient's convenience. To book an appointment, all you will need to pay for the appointment, and you can either use the patient's card or you can use your credit card and recover the money from the patient, or you can also use any of the UPI apps for making the payment. As soon as you book an appointment, you will get an SMS, the patient will get an SMS, so that the appointment is booked. So friends, now your appointment is booked on Pyramid. It is, however, advisable that you may refill certain information about the patient, like his weight, his past illnesses, past surgeries, if any, because this is going to help the specialist to help you with the consultation. Now, we have also created templates which are specialty specific according to what the particular specialty you have chosen. So like dyspnea, failure to thrive, these are templates for pediatric cardiologists. So you can even write down those and just tick mark those symptoms so that the specialist knows that what you are referring the patient for. Once you have added these symptoms, You can also upload the relevant reports for the patient so that the specialist has all the information that he requires to give you the correct advice. Just in case you are very busy during your consulting hours and you don't have the time to fill up all these things and upload all these things, all this can be comfortably done even later, anytime before the actual appointment, by only going to the appointments tab on the app, clicking on the appointments tab, open appointments, and then updating either the patient data or present complaints. Of course, just in case you need to cancel this appointment, you can either cancel or reschedule this appointment also. Thank you.